Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, so far we have done the various sets of configuration to this particular code base, which we are considering it as a framework. So here, as part of this particular framework, guys, if you clearly observe, so we have only one particular logic that you are accepting the alert. Now, I want to tweak this particular code base right now. I just want to handle it on, this Verve app where I want to perform the sign up functionality. Okay, clicking on a sign up, filling this form, and then entering the username, checking that checkbox. The whole flow, I want to convert it into this particular framework. Okay, the whole flow, I want to convert it. So, first, what I am doing right now is in this particular confitest.py, I was just changing my app file name. Okay, in the confitest.py file, I was just changing my app name here. Okay, I was just changing my app name here. That's perfect. We just changed this particular app name. And once we changed this particular app name, the next thing here is as part of this login page, you need to define the locators for this. Okay, as part of the login page, you need to define the locators. So we have studied a page object model concept sometime before, or the page factory model. So where in which if you see this particular page, it does has the variables and as well as the respective methods here. I'm copying my complete code from there. Okay, I'm just copying my complete code from there, and I was just replacing it here. Okay, I was just replacing it here. So, if you observe right now, what we have done is I don't need this particular alert anymore, as I am not dealing with that particular alert. And here, the sign up functionality. Okay, you have a sign up button on a login screen. So first of all, you need to select sign up button. Okay, select sign up button. So here I want to click on this particular sign up button. Okay, so the first and a foremost thing that you need to do is you need to select the sign up button, and on top of that particular sign up button, you need to fill this particular form. And of course, this one I need to import this particular time. Okay, I just imported this time, and I'm giving this particular values as an 18 for my safety. Okay, I just defined these values. So here in the same class, whatever the page factory mechanism concept that we have implemented in the previous sessions, the same code base I have copied and I have pasted it here, in which we have a sign up method and we have a select a sign up button method. Two methods are there in that particular test. Basically whatever we have, login dot. So first and a foremost thing that you need to do here is what was that? So you need to click on a select a sign up. So you just need to click on the select a sign up, and after that we need to fill the form. Okay, sign up. Okay, so maybe I can name it as sign up fill form. Okay, I was just naming it as a sign up fill form, and come back here and I was just calling it as a sign up fill form. That's it, guys. I have defined this whole chunk here. Okay, I have defined this particular whole chunk here. So this does has a full set of logic that we have right now, and the only thing that I'm doing right now is let me run my test. I don't want to have a look into the report. Let me try to directly run my test and check it out whether it is performing these operations or not. Okay, whether it is performing these operations or not. So it should launch the app. Okay, it should launch the app and it should perform this sign up operation. So basically, if you say the sign up operations, it's being performed and the whole activity it's getting executed. Okay, and a whole set of activities it's getting executed. So this is the way how exactly you can customize the code and you can implement a full set of a code here. Okay, so this is the way how exactly we can implement a full set of a code here. Okay, perfectly all right. Done the deal. So in the next session, we will continue with a furthermore example. Thank you.